Right, look, everyone. I'm at Godney, place of God. Joseph of Aramathea is supposed to have been here, and some say he's even buried here. I'm going to be going back that way and all the way back round. I could do a straightforward one, but I'm not. I'm going back round because it's so beautiful. This is a beautiful church. I can't remember the name of it. I've got it on the leaflet though. I presume this is the one, although to me it doesn't look that old. It might be a Methodist church. It might not be the one. But I've got a feeling it is. I can't imagine having more than one church out here. I found a hill, Barbara, this is for you. A Wyndham Coles Hill. He died 26th of April 1975, aged 71. Born at the turn of the 20th century. And his wife Georgina. She died the 19th of July 1991, aged 85. She walked with God. So I've made note of one. I've been all round the church. There's lots and lots of churches here, then that's the name. Churches, lots of them. In fact, I'd say most of them in there are churches probably. Don't know who this one here is. It's probably a church though. Andrews is the other one. Andrews and churches. Like I said, it's only open now and again. It's got a little bit of stained glass window with some sort of crest or what. They go around parts of the church. Little bits of stained glass window like that. Like I say, it's not open. You can't see inside. But that is apparently that is common. It's hardly ever open apparently. But look at my lovely Glastonbury, look. When I'm scattered up there, I'll be able to have a view of all my kingdom. I'll just walk round again. There's Godney Farm over there. I will look on the piece of paper. I presume this is the site of an ancient church though. To be quite honest, I reckon it is. And I'm allowing myself 6 hours to get home. I haven't even had my cheese sandwiches yet. There's the Mendip Hills. I can see the quarry near the Cheddar Gorge. And then you go away over that way to Wedmore and all that over that way, but I ain't going back that way, I'm going back the flat way. Yeah, it just looks very modern, doesn't it? But it's probably been built over and over again. This would be, I can imagine, this is the site. I can't see another one anywhere. It does look very Methodisty though. I've got all the information at home, but I can't remember. I've got actual stuff in my bag, so I know what it's called in a minute. There's all sorts of myths and theories about this place. It's all well documented. So here we've got dear sister Mary Churches, born the 3rd of January 1848, and she died 1889. And her brother John Churches, he was born in 1849, 1907. And there's more here. Lots of churches. Father James Churches and Beatrice Mabel Churches. They died in he was 1911, she was 1941. Elizabeth Godfrey Churches and Henrietta Churches. Then you've got Albert Edward Churches, born in 1863, died 1915, and Anna Churches. I mean, he could have been in the war, couldn't he? They might be churches as well, I'm not quite sure, I can't quite see what that says. It's got like a, I don't know what you call that sort of shape actually. I can't think what you call it, but it's a rounded sort of tower thing. It's not a tower, an end bit. To the greater glory of God, this stone was laid by Charles Davis Sherston in 1903. Yeah, it's got like a towery type thing. I can see where the house martin's nest is there, look, and they're flying about all over the place. More churches. Here we got, who's we got there? John and Sarah in the 1800s. All the Andrews seem to be over there. Andrews people. Robert Churches, he fell asleep in 1903, aged 58. And his wife, Mary, she died 1930, aged 78. Also Frank, he died, their son, he died in infancy. And then you've got somebody else on here. Dear wife, mother and grandmother, Joan Churches, she died the 25th of July 1996, aged 68. And this is one of my churches that I do when I'm out. I do churches when I'm out. And there's my beautiful Glastonbury, and there's the route. I'm going back any second. I'm just going to have a sandwich. So that was very pleasant, wasn't it? Very pleasant. Church. I think it is the church. Farmer going home. Two farmers. Right, over and out everyone.